We often get used to favorite things, and they become an indispensable attribute in sports. A yoga mat, this is a special thing, creating the necessary comfort. Those people who lead an active lifestyle do not always have time and suitable conditions for full-fledged care for yoga mat. BetterMe App helps women achieve their body goals with ease and efficiency by helping to choose proper meal plans and effective workouts. Start using our app and you will see good results in a short time. Remember that regular compliance with personal hygiene rules is also a guarantee of longevity of your yogasana. You need to take good care of your yoga mat. To do this, we offer you to try this great natural and effective spray to refresh a sweaty and stinky yoga mat. Such a spray will become indispensable in travel, during multi-day yoga seminars or a busy work schedule. Your mate will always be clean and fresh, and natural essential oils will help you tune into productive practices and raise your mood. This spray does not contain substances harmful to human health and is suitable for refreshing the body and air in the room. It gently cleans the mat and neutralizes smells. It is made of natural components. Its pleasant smell restores energy and gives strength. To make this spray at home you need water, witch hazel, tea tree oil and lavender or any other essential oil. Pour water with witch hazel into a spray bottle. Then add essential oils and your spray is ready. Shake it well and spray over your yoga mat. Truly, yoga sessions in the open air are in all respects better than those at the gym. If you are doing yoga in nature, you know how easily one side of the rug gets dirty. When you fold it at the end of your yoga practice, the second side becomes dirty too. However, this problem can be solved very simply. Before folding the mat, fold it in half. So, the front side always remains clean. For a profusely sweating yogi or classes on a hot day, a towel works well. It should be spread on the front of the mat before the session begins. BetterMe App helps you increase your self-esteem and achieve your personal goals by opening the doors to the world of fitness and healthy lifestyle. Try it now to see the best version of yourself as soon as possible. Even if you spray your rug after each session, once a month you need to wash it in a washing machine, temperature up to 30 degrees Celsius, without any detergents. Then dry in a dryer at medium power. There are exceptions for some types of yoga mats, so check in the instructions, whether it is possible to wash your mate and at what temperature.